I think we're all good on the pads of cheese, of butter, notepads, so I don't think we're doing a white elephant.
At least not with those gifts. I saw a book, though, in that little mix there, The Worst Birds Ever. I'm kind of interested in that. That's kind of funny.
The worst birds ever?
Yeah, it had a goose on it, so that's why I noticed it. I'm like, yep,
the birds alone.
Well, come on, Canadian geese can be a pain sometimes.
Okay, and pigeons. But
yeah.
What is the weather going to get some retribution against the birds this weekend?
Well, it's probably going to make them want to go farther south away from us at this point, because it's going to get cold pretty quickly this weekend, and that sort of feeds into the snowfall chances we do have Saturday night going into Sunday morning. Now, we did have a chance for a little bit of snow across Virginia today, but that system really fizzled out quickly, and it took more of a southerly track, so we only had a few flurries south and west of the district. Everybody else, it was just cloudy, but we stayed dry, and it was decently chilly, but unlike the last, day or so, the wind finally backed off, so temperatures, they're still pretty much where they were all afternoon, in the middle to upper 30s across the entire area, but there was no wind chill factor, thanks to it being much calmer here today. Now, it does stay relatively calm and dry as we head through the night tonight into the day on Saturday, and as a matter of fact, tomorrow, despite the clouds, we actually get a bump in our temperatures back into the 40s, so it's not going to be that bad of a start to the weekend, but we will flip that script pretty quickly as the next Clipper system rolls in Saturday night going into the early morning hours on Sunday. Now, given the fact that we're going to jump into the 40s tomorrow afternoon and some of that warm air hangs on into Saturday night, as precipitation arrives by 10, 11 o'clock Saturday night, it's likely to start as rainfall for a brief hour or two near the district, and that's going to cut into just how much snow eventually falls and sticks to the ground, because look at this, just a few hours down the line, I'm talking 2 a.m. here Saturday night, we'll have a switch over to all snowfall concentrated along the I-95 corridor into the district and a bit farther west. The mountains will also see a pretty steady snowfall, but in between, there's almost going to be a snow hole right here. I-81, we may see a few snow showers, but it's relatively dry, free of any snow right through the middle of the region there. Now, as we head into Sunday morning, that snow is likely to continue until about 6, 7 a.m. and then just as quickly as it got here, it's gone. So this is going to be a short duration snowfall event as well, which means, yes, there will be likely some slick conditions out there Sunday morning. There will be snow on the ground, but it's not going to be a major snowfall by any means. From D.C. up into northeastern Maryland, we're expecting 1 to 3 inches here in the dark blue shade. Most of the area doesn't even get an inch of snowfall, and then, of course, the western-facing slopes of Garrett County will see the heavier snowfall amounts. Now, yes, we're definitely tracking the snowfall. That is our main concern here in the short term, but once that snow is done, we are about to see quite the blast of Arctic air, and like I mentioned earlier on, there's going to be a lot of wind bringing this colder air in on Sunday, which will send our temperatures tumbling, and as we head into the start of your new work week next week, Monday morning, air temps will be in the teens, and with the wind still gusting around out there, many of us, pretty much all of us, will see wind chills in the single digits to near zero. So it's going to be bitter cold. Be ready to bundle up. Here's the good news. Yes, it stays cold on Monday, but it doesn't last. Look at how quickly we rebound by the middle of next week. Highs are going to be back in the 50s.